Hey, what's up YouTube? I wanted to shoot a quick video today on how to do a chest press with your stability ball. So let's get started. Hey, what's up YouTube? Lisa Wilkersdorfer here. Certified massage therapist, classical Pilates teacher, and personal trainer. Hey, I've been helping men and women over the age of 40 for the last 20 years. Decrease your pain, increase your flexibility, and improve your posture. Today, we're gonna be using the ball for a chest press. I like 2-for workouts, meaning you're gonna work your glutes and your chest. We're gonna need a set of dumbbells. So make sure your ball is fully inflated. A couple of tips for you. So you want to make sure you're on the proper size ball, meaning my knee is in line with my hip, and that's a perfect size. So if you're on a ball you're sitting up way too high and your hips are above your knee, that ball is too big for you. This happens to be 55 centimeters. If you're over 6 foot tall, they recommend 65 centimeters. So the chest press, I'm going to turn sideways so you can see me. Bend down, pick up your weights. Now roll all the way down till you have your shoulder blades on the ball and you have a headrest. So this is perfect position. My butt is up. This is what I don't want to see. I don't want you down here in a little L shape. I want you squeezing your booty, it up in the air, bring your weight out so your knuckles are up to the sky. As you exhale, you're going to press up, straighten your arms, and inhale, bend your arms. Now, when you're moving, don't let that butt sink. Keep it up. Squeeze your butt so that way you're keeping that nice plank. I want your hip in line with your knee the whole entire time. Now for reference, I'm using 8-pound dumbbells. Use what works for you. If you have chest and shoulder injuries, use 5 pounds. Let's do one more. And release. Go ahead and set those down. And then roll right back up. Sometimes it can take a little bit getting used to rolling down and up when you're on the stability ball, but it's great for your balance because you have to keep your hips in line without shimmying around, and the ball is an unstable surface for you to rest your shoulders on. It's not like doing a chest press on the bench where that surface is nice and flat and stable. You add a degree of difficulty when you do the ball. So, if you like my channel, hit that red subscribe button. That way you'll be notified when I post new workouts. Hey, if you want to take a stability ball class with me, I'm going to be offering those in March 2022, twice a week. All you need is your ball and some dumbbells, and I'll also be offering twice a week Pilates classes, all from the comfort of your own home, and it's a live workout. You log in. If you need any help with form, I correct you on your posture. It's not just you're following an exercise video. I have those on demand as well if you prefer to work that way. I'd love to see you in one of my classes. Also, if you have a comment, leave me in that description box below, and then I'll also leave a link to sign up for the class as well. Until next time, keep getting stronger and working with your dumbbells. Maybe add this into your workout routine next week. Have a great rest of your day. Bye.